Alright, acid and alkali, right? New chapter. Okay, so acid. Okay, I believe you have learned this already, alright? But acid, we always see acid in let's say our stomach, right? Okay, our sweat, our saliva, a lot of things that actually come out from our body, or basically just body, right? Animals as well. Mainly is acid. So normally when we want to wash all of this away, like let's say we wash our toilet, we wash our hair, wash our body, all is alkali. Okay? But different degrees of alkali. So like let's say we want to wash toilet, we use a very strong alkali. But if just our body or our hair, because it cannot be too strong, so we use weaker alkali, you can say, weaker one, less strong one. Okay? Okay, this is an example of acid and alkali. So now let's look at the chemistry term. So what does chemistry say that an acid must have? Okay, so in chemistry, we only say something is an acid if it has a hydrogen. And in the ion form, hydrogen is a H+. Okay, so anything is only considered an acid if they can produce this H+. Clear? Yeah. Okay, and for alkali, right, here there's two examples. What do they have in common? What's the same thing? Hydroxide, OH. Yes or no? So this hydroxide, OH, okay, yeah, that's basically what alkali have. It has to has OH minus, what we call hydroxide. Okay, everyone clear? Okay, but the special thing about acid and alkali is they only turn acid or alkali when mixed with water. That means, you see, like let's say this HCl, hydrochloric acid, okay? But it's okay if you don't know now first. HCl, what the special thing that happens is when you mix it with water, this H and this Cl will split out. Then you will get a H plus and a Cl minus. This is what we call ionize. Or the other word is dissociate. Okay? They will only do this, acid and alkali will only ionize or dissociate when we mix them with water. Understand? So the same thing for alkali, when we mix it with water, like let's say this Pb, it will split out and turn into Pb2+. Okay? This is a special thing that acid and alkali can do when mixed with water. Is everyone clear? Okay? So the more H plus they have, let's say you put two acid, one acid gives you 100% of H plus, then we say that one is a strong acid. And then there's some weaker acid, maybe they'll only give you 50% of the H plus. That means it's much lesser than 100, right? Then we say they are a weak acid. Same for alkali. But we look at the OH, how much OH they can produce when we put them inside water. All alkali will produce at least a little bit of OH minus. That's what we call weak alkali. But if they can produce a lot of OH minus, then we call them strong alkali. Is everyone clear? Alright. How many minutes is that?